Tanshikiwa Mizami Sansolamo Tengdishnikashun. I'm here in Edmonton for my daughter's birthday. We came here and I'm at IKEA. So at IKEA, and always wanted to know what their Swedish meatballs were like. Alright, so got this and a water for $11.53. So let's dig in. Let's try out one of their world famous meatballs. Let's see. Try out the meatballs. Nice. The mashed potatoes, pretty good. What is this, cranberry sauce? Is it Easter or Sunday already? That was nice. And now this like veggie medley thing. That's alright. So, Swedish meatballs at IKEA. You know the rules. One bite. Sorry about that. Tell you what. Out of 10. Give this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I give it a set or a wit. Actually, I give it a wit. Give it a 9. Pretty good. Not very pricey. Good price. And pretty yummy food. So if you're ever in IKEA, I always try the veggie dogs. So I'll go downstairs on my way out. Give those dogs a go too, but for the meatballs, I would say 8 out of 10. So give it a try if you're ever at IKEA. Right, Mina.